What's up, everybody? It's Sunday. We're going to the grocery store.
Is getting heavy. I can feel the weight. The pressure of success is like 100 million pounds.
Our goal here is to meal prep for less than $50.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. But you know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you.
All right, we just pulled up to the grocery store. We're at Natural Grocers here in Tucson, Arizona. I've never been here before, but one of my clients said that you get some banging deals over here, so we're going to check it out.
I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. But you know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. I wanna be left alone. So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy.
So far, we got organic bananas for 79 cents, the organic ones. Sweet potatoes for $1.79, and cabbage for like just over $1, and zucchini squash for $1.09 a pound. Dang. This place is pretty wild. There's a lot of supplements. There's even books in here. All right, I'm back home now. I ended up going to 3 different places. Natural Grocers was a pretty cool place. I've never been there before. Good price on produce, but like their chicken and meat was like, you got to be like a billionaire, Elon Musk, to shop there. So I ended up going to Sprouts for my protein, and then I went to Walmart for egg whites. Let me show you what I got. So first thing I picked up were these organic bananas. The 5 of them were $1.70. Then I got the squash here. That was $1.70 as well. These free-range omega-3 eggs, $1.99. And then these little sweet potatoes. I've never seen them this small before. And that, for that whole bunch, was $2.22. This cabbage right here, I didn't realize how expensive it was, but cabbage goes a long way with how big it is. And I'll usually just kind of cook that in a skillet, like chop it up, put it in a skillet. And this was actually $7.58 for this thing. Good Lord. So the bread here was $5.89. Now I usually do the bread with egg whites and eggs in the morning. The egg whites picked up from Walmart. Those are $4.10. And I get them there just because they're the cheapest. Blueberries, these were on sale. So this big old thing of blueberries was only $1.88. Then I got some avocados, and the avocado is, for these 3, were $2.64. And then now for the protein, the chicken was $12.07, so a little bit more expensive than it normally is. It was actually $3.99 a pound, and usually it's in the ballpark of like $2. And then I got the grass-fed beef there, and that was $11.41, bringing the grand total to, drum roll, dun, 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 $50.54. So we made it. Does anyone else have a thumb that bends back really far? If you like this video, please like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!